Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable vibrate for call setting. Means vibrate while ringing setting guys you want to enable in your phone. So how can you enable it in your phone? Today I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable vibrate while ringing setting in our phone. Guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on phone sound and vibration setting. Guys, tap here. Friends, you can use your phone sound and vibration setting here, guys. Notification ringtone setting, guys. So you can use it. So friends, you can see, guys, your vibrate while ringing setting, guys. You want to enable, guys. You want to use, guys. You want your phone will vibrate on ringing while ringing. So guys, we will enable from this right side icon, guys. Tap here. Friends, your vibrate while ringing will enable. So friends, when call will come, so guys vibrate while ringing setting will work, means your phone will vibrate while ringing. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.